Alright, your wheel slip relay, removal of the disassembly, cleaning, inspection, repair, assembly with the installation test, toolkit SC494097 E12, multimeter variable DC, voltage supply, dry cleaning solvent. Warning, high voltage EVD operation. Equipment do not misfill with the terminal voltage of the potential lowest 50 volts may cover the death. Remove the rings, blade for the wrist watch for the next chain with it before walking around with locomotive jewelry. Catch on equipment injury with the short cover electrical circuit cause severe burn of the electrical shock. Note if the wheel slip relay is subjective to the defect of the performance 24, 25, 26 of the 4. Removal of the set battery switch of the open position. Disconnect wire with the relay assembly. Disconnect remove power assembly cords. Cables running through the center relay assembly. Remove the 2 bolts, lock washer, 2 wheel slip relay. 3, it shows your wheel slip relay. Disassembly, remove the 2 screws. 4, lock washer 5, bracket 6. Remove the 2 screws. 7, lock washer, lat washer 9, armature board assembly, and from 10 from the coil assembly. Disassembly continued. Disassembly coil 11 with the following. Remove the screws 12 and lock washer 13. Remove the yoke 14, bracket 15 from the coil. Disassemble the armature board assembly 10 with the following. Remove the 2 screws 17, lock washer 18, flat washer 19, cover 20. Remove the 21, flat washer 22, and the assembly 20, lead assembly 23, flat washer 24. Move screws 25, the flat washer 26, shield with the 27 nut 28, screw with the 29, flat washer 30, lead assembly 31. Move screw 32 with the nut 33 with the flat washer 34. Move the nut 35, flat washer contact 36, the contact 37, the stub 38, lock washer 39. Move nut 40, flat washer 41, contact 42, nut 43, lock washer 44, board assembly 45. Alright, cleaning, inspection, and repair. Dry cleaning, solve with the PD680 with attacks flammable wear protective goggles and gloves. Use only with well ventilated areas. Avoid contact with the skin eyes. Glove do not breathe the vapor to death. Use the open flame with the chest heat of the flash point of 100 to 138 degrees Fahrenheit. If becoming dizzy with the get with the fresh air, medical aid, immediately contact with the eyes with the aid with the eye with the get medical aid, immediately compress air. Use the cleaning purple tank, see with the 30 psi of the dry compress air. Against skin, use the goggles, face shield with the inspect with the dry clean metal parts of the compress air with the inspect molded parts, ward, breaks and cracks. Place damaged part, multimeter measurement, resistant coil, the resistant must be 542 ohms plus or minus 10%. Replace coil. Alright, the assembly board, assembly 45 of the following. Install the lock washer 44 with the nut 43 with the contact 42 flat washer 41 nut 40. Then install the lock washer 39 stub 38 with the contact 37 with the flat washer 36 with the nut 35. Install flat washer 34 with the nut 33 with the screw with the 32 with the install the lead. Assembly 31 flat washer 30 with the board. Assembly 45 with the screw to 29 with the reassurance assembly armature with the board. Assembly 10 with the following. Install the nut 28 shield the 27 flat washer 26 screw 25 and install flat washer 2A lead. Assembly 23, flat washer 22, screw with a nut 21. Alright, assembly, coil, assembly 11, the following, the place bracket with a 15, inside coil 16, slide coil 16, bracket 15, onto the yoke with the install the lock washer 13, screw 12, install the armature board, assembly 10, on the coil assembly, install the 2 flat washers 9, and lock washers 8, and the screw 7, install the bracket 6, and 2 lock washer 5, and the screws 4. Note that all gap settings should be relay on the workbench measurement that made with the feeler gauge between the armature and board. Assembly 10 with the clean coil assembly 11. Adjusting the air gap of the 73,000 to the 75,000 of an inch by adjusting screw 46 with the tightment and 40 knot 47. Adjusting closed air gap to 5,000 to 15,000 of an inch by adjusting screw with the tightening knot 40. Adjusting screw 48 and tightening knot 49. Adjust normal closed contact to open at 30 to 34,000 of an inch. Adjust normal open contact closed to 41,000 to 45,000 of an inch. Install cover 20 to the flat washers 19, lock washer 18, screws 17. Installation wheel slip relay. Install the 3. Then install the lock washer 2 with the bolts 1 with the improper routing of the power cable to the center wheel slip relay. Result with the inoperative of the relay with the install the power cable to the center wheel slip relay connecting corners with the wire diagram. Connect the electrical wires in the corner wire diagram. Connect the variable to DC supply with a multimeter coil 16. Pick up with the current 17-19 milliamp tolerance of adjusting 21. Connect the variable to DC supply with a multimeter coil. Drop out current 9 to 12 with a milliamp. Not read adjust the closed air in accordance with the step 619 with the energized de-energized relay. Check if there is no hesitation during pickup of the dropout. And that was your wheel slip relay.